Hey cruisers, it's monthly Amazon haul time and I'm so stoked to share these 20 finds with you. What's different this month about this video is at the end, I'm sharing some Old Navy and LOFT items too. Now we're going to start with flight and travel essentials, which are going to help you to be more comfortable on your flights and to help you pack more efficiently for your cruise. Then we're going to talk about toiletries and some fashion stuff for women that will work on an Alaskan cruise or a warm weather cruise. And we'll even talk about my AQUA obsession leading up to my cruise on Norwegian AQUA. Everything is numbered so you can find the links easily in the description and pinned to the top of the comments. Now let's get started with flight and travel essentials. You guys, I have a new favorite item that took me by surprise. This is the Be Cozy neck pillow. And I love this thing because it's got a Velcro adjustment on it. Instead of one of those string type adjustments that you have to pull and they don't really get tight, this one gets nice and tight and snug around your neck. And the thing is, it actually works differently than most airplane pillows. So what you're going to notice is that if you're sitting in the middle seat, you might wear it one way. Whereas if you're up against a window, you can kind of tuck it over to the side of your head and wear it a different way, which I really, really love. Now, to be honest, I only pack travel pillows on super long haul flights. I don't take them on anything that's like 5 hours. But if I'm going on something where I might have a chance of sleeping or just closing my eyes and resting, I'm definitely going to pack a travel pillow. Number 2 is my new carry-on option. This is a really interesting bag. You're going to notice it kind of looks like a briefcase. It's kind of shaped like a briefcase, but it packs more like a suitcase, and it also has a dedicated laptop compartment. What I like about this is it comes with a toiletry bag and a bonus shoe bag, and it's just really pretty. It's also quite small, and I think that it's one of those bags that's not going to flag the gate agents at the airport. It's not going to look oversized when it's resting on top of your rollaboard suitcase if that's what you choose to travel with. Number 3, I have been loving this mid-sized backpack. So I reached for it on my last 3 trips, and usually that means it's probably pretty good. I keep traveling with it over and over again. It's just the right size. It has a laptop compartment, which usually is something that I need, and it kind of works like a combination between a backpack and a suitcase. It does, of course, have a trolley sleeve, so you can slide it on and off of a personal item if you want to roll it that way. But yet, if you have to check your bag, it doesn't get so heavy that you can't keep it with you at all times in the airport. Number 4 is kind of a funny and awkward item. These are individual personal wipes, and I found that these are actually excellent for long haul flights, right? When you don't have access to a shower. They're also great if you're visiting a destination where maybe there's no toilet paper in the restroom. You guys, that can happen in remote places. So nice to have, and they come in individual little packets, and you can just tuck them inside your flight bag or inside your purse or your shore excursion bag. Number 5 is this herbal inhaler that I got. It reminds me of those old Vicks inhalers we used to get. It has that strong eucalyptus scent. It's really nice if you're going on a flight. It just makes you feel kind of refreshed in the middle of a flight. I keep it tucked into my flight bag at all times. It's also nice if you have the sniffles, like those Vicks Vapo inhalers. It just smells really nice. Makes you feel a little bit better. Number 6, I actually have 3 new purses that I've got in the last little bit. They're all probably flight and cruise friendly, but you have to pick which one's going to work best for you. The first one is this small caramel crossbody bag that you can wear on both sides of your body because it has a little adjustable bar at the back that allows you to switch the bar from side to side and thus wear it on the front of your body, on the back of your body, or on either side. Next is this crescent-shaped fabric bag that matches that personal item bag. Remember the one I told you about earlier that looks like a briefcase? It's kind of made of the same fabric. It's a little bit less practical because of its shape, but it also holds more, and it's really cute. The third one is this adorable bag that I used at a conference recently. The gold strap adjusts so you can wear it long or short. You kind of double up the strap. It's really nice for cruise dinners, but honestly, it's not something I'd take somewhere where you need like an anti-theft bag because sometimes the clasp pops open. Let's talk about my Amazon clothing finds. First up, number 7 are these cozy pajamas. You guys know that I'm a real weirdo when it comes to pajamas. I like long sleeve tops paired with shorts, and this little sweater set is perfect for the Alaska season, and I have a feeling I'm going to be wearing it. Number 8 is the dress I'm wearing right now. This is that long floral dress. I posted it all over social media when I wore it to a Carnival Cruise Line event. I love this dress. I'm in a medium. It is petite and short girl friendly. It has a tie that is built in, so you don't have to put an additional belt on it. The tie is actually built into it. It's not going to get lost in the washing machine. Speaking of the washing machine, you guys, you can put this in the washing machine with cold water and then just hang it to dry or lay it flat to dry. And guess what? It absolutely does not wrinkle at all. This is so cruise friendly that I'm probably going to buy it in another print. I absolutely love it. Number 9, I found this pair of socks at a discount store. I think it was TJ Maxx. I was just doing like a little weekend shopping run, and I found these low-cut, ankle-cushioned, breathable compression socks. When you think of compression socks, you think of like airplane compression socks, you know, those long ones, but these are actually short. I don't know what it is about them, but they feel so good on my feet, and I'm setting them aside as well for the Alaska cruise season, but I even wear them to the gym. Speaking of compression items, I guess I'm really into compression stuff right now. I have been discovering the value of compression tank tops lately, and these have been a game changer for travel and home for me. I have them in a couple different styles. First, I have this V-neck style you're seeing here. I have it in black and white. It also comes in nude. And then I also have this V-neck style. Of the two of these, the first one that I showed you has a little bit more bra support and a little bit more smoothing support through the waist. So when you put this on, your jeans are actually going to fit better. You're going to be kind of compressing everything in and making a smoothing effect around your midsection. But this one's a little bit more stylish, is a little more modest, less cleavage on this one, and I love them both, and I love the different color varieties that you can get. Number 11 is this beautiful, soft sweater. I think this is so pretty paired with those compression tanks that I just showed you. I'm wearing it in a medium. There are 17 color options in this, and I think that this sweater would be very pretty for the Alaska season. You could wear it by day underneath a raincoat, or if you're going to dinner in Alaska on a cruise, which we all know tends to be more casual up there, you could wear it with jeans, capris, a cute skirt, something like that, and it looks kind of dressy. It's also really nice for work. Okay, let's get into some toiletry items. Number 12 is this tanning mousse I got. This is really interesting. I had seen somebody on Instagram using it, and they're like, this is going to be the best tanning mousse you've ever used. It's streak-free. And I'm like, yada, yada, whatever. I always hate self-tanners. They smell bad. They don't really give me a lasting result, and they streak and they look bad around my ankles and hands. So I spent the money and I bought this, and I also bought a mitt that I'll link to separately. I don't think this mitt is the same brand or anything. I think it was just whatever Amazon suggested to me. I bought this in the medium color. I think it's like 6 to 8 hours that they tell you to just walk around the house in it. Once you shower it off, you're going to look so natural and so good. Be sure to follow the package instructions though, because what they tell you to do is to make sure that you put lotion on your hands, feet, and any rough areas like elbows and knees before you put it on, and that's exactly what I do. I put the lotion all over my ankles and feet and my hands, and it makes it so that I don't have any lines or any streaking. I don't even bother to exfoliate before I use it. It's just really, really good. Next up is this leave-in conditioner. This is probably not something I'll take on a cruise because the bottle's a little big at 6 ounces, but I feel like it brings that vacation-y feeling to home, and sometimes I like to talk about products like that. You guys remember a few months ago I featured the Coco Colada soap that I got from Tree Hut. This is kind of one of those things where when you're at home, it makes you feel a little more vacation-y, and it just makes my hair so soft and bouncy. I put it in after I take a shower on those days where it kind of feels like my conditioner didn't really do the trick and I need more of a detangle. Number 14 is the Mega Babe Thigh Rescue. I'm all about the anti-chafing thing these days because I had a really bad experience when I went on my cruise to the United Arab Emirates. It was really hot and I tried to wear a dress without any shapewear under it, and never again will I travel without either shapewear or a thigh stick. So if you're in that era, I'm sorry, but this stuff works really great and it's gonna help you out a lot. Speaking of eras, now let's talk about my Norwegian Aqua era. I just had to get some kind of like pops of Aqua before I went on that trip. I just couldn't help it. I'm loving this new dress that has little bits of Aqua in it. Now I broke my rule and I bought this one in a small. because everybody said that it ran a little big. The length is actually perfect on me. It's a teeny tiny bit tight across the chest, but I'm gonna buy another one in small. I feel confident about it. It machine washes cold, hangs to dry, and I didn't even have to steam or iron it. Very much an A+ for cruise travel. Number 16 is this new mini jewelry organizer. Yeah, it's AQUA, enough said. It's tiny, it fits in my bag. It's actually right here so you can see the true size of it. I love this thing. It's so cute, and I just leave it packed in between cruises because to me, it's plenty of jewelry no matter where I'm going. Number 17 is this makeup organizer, also in AQUA. It has this bar around the top that keeps it open when it's sitting on your counter, and you could put a lot of makeup in this thing. Again, I've taken it on multiple trips. I haven't even unpacked it. I'm just putting it on my bathroom counter and using it at home. Next is this really pretty AQUA necklace. I was going to wear it for you guys to show you what it looks like, but it runs a little bit long and it kind of dips down low with this dress, so you wouldn't even be able to see it, but it's so pretty. And if you like AQUA and gold, it's a nice little pop of AQUA, and it's just a fun, inexpensive thing to grab for your next trip. I promised you I was going to share some items that are not from Amazon during this video. I went shopping. I mean, what got into me? I actually went shopping. I went to the mall. I went to LOFT and Old Navy, and here's what I found. At LOFT, I found these beautiful tops. They're kind of unusual. They're kind of boxy, but they're on trend. Kind of a springy color, and the other one with white and gold. And I love these. I feel really comfortable in them, and they pair great with those compression tanks. They're really pretty. So the nice thing about LOFT too is that they have petite sizes, and I'm in a petite medium, I think, in both of these. Those are going to be labeled as number 19. Number 20, my Old Navy haul was a showstopper, you guys. You have to see this adorable bag, the one that's sitting behind me over here that says Bon Voyage. It is so cute that I actually ordered 5 of them to give as gifts to my friends because I love it so much. I also got 3 different dresses from Old Navy. I got this black one with a little white embroidery. I'm wearing it in a petite medium. I ended up going with petite sizes. And then this pink one that's really cute. It's like a bubblegum pink, very Barbie, very cute, but looks good with the bag. And lastly, I got this orange puff sleeve one, also in a petite medium, that I love, and it totally matches the Bon Voyage bag. I had a lot of fun wearing these on my Norwegian Aqua cruise, and they're gonna be super nice, you guys, for the Caribbean cruise season. If you're going on a Caribbean cruise, all of the Old Navy stuff that I just showed you is really vacation friendly. Lastly, this is a bonus item, so we're just gonna call it number 21. I got this bracelet on Amazon, and I feel like it goes with everything. It's magnetic, it's very cute, and it looks just as good on beach days as it does out for dinner. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what kind of items you want me to feature in the future. Until next time, we'll see you on the high seas. Bye-bye.